Welcome to Portugal Rights Rebel, episode number. I'm Elena Vargas. Today, we tackle one of the most common nightmares expats face in Portugal and show you exactly how to fight back legally and effectively. Your rights don't disappear at the border. Hook. Picture this. You're at the airport, passport in your hand, but your residency card expired months ago and SEF never replied. You can't board, your family waits at home, and your employer is demanding answers. I saw this exact post in an expat forum last week. I'm stuck at the airport because my residency card expired and SEF never replied. That panic? It's why we made this episode. You'll get an immediate, lawyer-ready playbook to try to get you moving again. Promise. In the next 10 minutes, I'll give you a compact checklist. How to request temporary travel documents from SEF or a consulate. Which urgent judicial remedies exist under Portuguese administrative law and EU protections, the exact evidence packet that persuades officials and judges, a one-page brief template for lawyers, and a 2-line script you can copy and send right now. Legal framework. Quick tour. When SEF or AMA delays trap you, Portuguese administrative law provides 2 practical tracks. First, administrative remedies. Urgent requests to SEF, formal complaints, reclamación graciosa where applicable, and parallel escalations to the Provedor de Justicia, the national ombudsman who can pressure agencies. Second, judicial remedies. Administrative courts can grant interim measures, often called medidas cautelares or tutela cautelare, emergency orders that protect rights while the main case is pending. These are not magic. Courts require clear urgency and risk of irreversible harm. EU protections. If your case touches family unity, cross-border movement, or EU free movement rules, EU law can strengthen your request. For EU citizens, the rights are clearer under free movement rules. For non-EU residents, EU charter and case law on family life and procedural fairness can support emergency measures. The key takeaway: invoke relevant national procedure codes and any applicable EU rights in your filings to amplify urgency. Immediate administrative steps. What to try first. 1. Contact SEF immediately by the fastest official channels, their dedicated emails for urgent travel requests, and the online portal. 2. Contact your consulate right away. Many consulates can issue emergency travel documents or a temporary laissez-passer if SEF can't act. 3. File a formal complaint with SEF and open a parallel complaint to the Provedor de Justicia. 4. Keep records of every contact, time, name, screenshot, and confirmation number. If SEF has an online ticket or protocol number, copy it into all your communications. Exactly what to say to SF or a consulate. Be short, factual, and urgent. State your name, residency file number if known, travel date and flight number, the harm, missed medical appointment, family reunion, job obligation, and your evidence list. Request a temporary travel document or express processing, and ask for a confirmation email with a protocol number. Keep your tone firm and courteous. Officials respond better to clarity than emotion. Evidence package. What actually wins emergency decisions? Assemble a minimal, certified packet you can deliver within hours. Include passport copy, current residency application receipt or expired card photo, confirmed flight bookings with times, medical letters or urgent family documents, proof of school enrollment or employer letters if relevant, recent bank statements showing ties, a timeline of communications with SEF, emails, screenshots, and any protocol members. If possible, obtain certified translations of non-English documents and notarize or timestamp key files. Email copies plus registered mail or a lawyer-delivered packet is best. The court or SEF needs a clear story. Who you are, what you need, why it's urgent, and a dated trail proving you tried administrative channels first. How to timestamp quickly. Use registered email with delivery receipt, take screenshots with visible timestamps, ask a notary to stamp copies, or have a lawyer upload files to the court portal which records filing time. These small steps prevent arguments that the emergency was self-created or that you delayed. Working with lawyers fast. Find attorneys who handle urgent administrative injunctions. Search specialized Facebook groups, the Ordam dos Advogados directory, and lawyer referral lists from community organizations. When time is critical, use a one-page brief to speed onboarding. 1. Headline facts and dates. 2. The urgent legal remedy requested, aka tutela cautelar, ordering SEF to issue a temporary travel permit. 3. List of evidence and what you can produce in 24 hours. 4. Client contact and availability. Be upfront about budget. Emergency fixed fees or capped retainers are common for injunctions. Ask the lawyer whether they will file the injunction or submit an urgent administrative appeal first. Both routes can be used in parallel. Anonymized forum case. Win. A reader in Porto missed a family funeral abroad and had an expired card. They emailed SEF with flight tickets and a hospital death certificate, contacted their consulate, and hired a local lawyer. The lawyer filed for tutela cautelar mid-morning and served SEF. By late afternoon, SEF issued a same-day travel permit. Why that worked? Clear, urgent evidence, parallel administrative and judicial pressure, and a lawyer who moved the paperwork immediately. Anonymized forum case. Loss. Another expat filed an injunction for urgent travel, but lacked timely evidence. No flight booking, no medical note, and no record of prior administrative attempts. The court refused the emergency measure because the applicant couldn't show irreparable harm or that administrative options were exhausted. Lesson: even in emergencies, weak evidence or skipped steps often causes refusal. Risks and legal disclaimers. Pursuing emergency court measures can be costly and might not succeed. Don't submit false documents. That can trigger sanctions or criminal exposure. Avoid frivolous filings. Courts penalize repeated, unsupported urgent requests. And remember, emergency orders are temporary. You'll usually need a follow-up to obtain a final remedy. Minimize costs by preparing a focused evidence packet, using the one-page lawyer brief, and escalating administrative channels in parallel to court action. Recap and immediate action. Here's your 2-line script to send now. Subject: urgent. Request for temporary travel document, residency file number if available. Body: my name is full name. I have an urgent travel on date, flight number. My residency card or application is delayed. File ref, if any. Attached: passport copy, flight booking, proof of harm. Please issue a temporary travel document or confirm expedited processing and provide a protocol number. Send this to SEF urgent email and your consulate, and copy the Provedor de Justicia. After sending, upload the same packet to a lawyer and ask them to file an injunction if you do not get a reply within 12 to 24 hours. Final practical CTA. Grab the emergency travel checklist in the episode notes. It includes the evidence checklist, the one-page lawyer brief template, and a lawyer referral intake form you can copy. Use those tools to move fast. Turn bureaucracy into accountability. Knowledge is your best defense. Document everything, act lawfully, and protect your future. Always consult a qualified Portuguese lawyer for your specific case. This is Elena Vargas. Your rights don't disappear at the border.